Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Is your Epson L3210 not printing in black? This issue can be fixed by running a simple part head cleaning. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to unclog the print head. For instant solution, you can call us at the numbers displayed. Otherwise, follow my instructions. Go to your printer's control panel. Press and hold the stop cancel button for about 5 seconds and the power button's green light will start to blink. Once you see the button blinking slowly, it means the printhead cleaning has started. Once the green light is on, it is a sign that the cleaning is completed. Now, wait for at least 5 minutes. If you're finding the steps easy to follow, subscribe to our channel. For more videos on other printer issues, please tell us the issues in the comments. After 5 minutes, turn off your printer from the power button. Now, press and hold the stop and power buttons together for at least 6 seconds. Note, make sure you have pages loaded in your printer. After 6 seconds, release the button. Now, the printer will give you an ink check result. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.